Hello, Ed here. We are live from the garage where today we're going to attempt a tire change on my hog. We're going to swap out the tires because right now it's got a real sticky one on the rear of it. Great for doing wheelies, but burnout's not so good. So I don't want to absolutely trash my transmission, so I got some old tires that aren't that sticky that we're going to throw on there. Behind me is my buddy's bike, belongs to Cisco the Disco. We're throwing a chain kit on it right now. If you guys want a how-to video on this, we already took it apart and put the chain on, so I can give you a how-to for how to reassemble it. But as far as the whole swapping out and putting the chain kit on, we missed that part. But yeah, let me take it through and I guess show you how I change my tire, if I can do it. Hope I don't fuck up the rim real bad, but yeah. And then I'm going to show you some cool donuts that I'm going to do. I guess step one would be to look up a YouTube video for how to change a tire and put that on and let it run in the background while you try and do it yourself. Then you're good to just rip out that axle and take your friggin' wheel off. Two screws in this tire. It's pretty flat. Yeah, let's get rid of this thing. Okay, so I got all the air out of the tire, which wasn't much because the two screws made it pretty damn flat. Now I'm going to attempt to break the bead by any means necessary and then get the tire off of the rim. Hopefully my rim isn't all dented up after this. I did it on one side. Lube up. This is detailing wax, which might work. Oh no. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, I got really frustrated and sweaty and I started cursing a lot. But I finally got the tire on the rim and I filled it with air. Now I can put it on. Okay, so I kind of fucked up my wheels. Not the wheels so much, it's just the paint. But I don't have nice things. So the tire's on and it's fine, and I'm fine with that. Yeah, and then I'm going to show you some cool donuts that I'm going to do.
I said elbow pads. No one wants to wear elbow pads when the fat guy tells you to wear elbow pads. Don't pick
Wouldn't go anywhere with that.
They have Ed's picture hanging in there.
You mind if I dismount my vehicle?
Can you tell this man that he lives in Wymarsh and not Conshohocken?
Are you a Conshohocken guy or are you a Whitemark?
Well, the mailing address is Conshohocken.
Yeah, but this is
Thank you!
There's a difference.
He thinks he's Conshohocken.
That's you're Are you our system like 100 times?
No, this will be my first one, I think.
Okay, alright. It's hard to deny it when I'm driving.
I didn't see you there.
Oh, they're up there. They
Fair
are.
enough. Look.